The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is more than just a smartphone. It's a blend of phone and tablet that redefines what mobile tech can do. But to truly get the most out of this foldable marvel, you'll need the right accessories designed to match its unique form and function. In this video, we're showcasing 7 essential add-ons that go beyond basic protection and charging. From boosting productivity to enhancing daily use, these accessories are here to unlock the full potential of your Fold 7. Let's take your experience to the next level. The FNTTC Case magnetic case is built for those who want strong magnetic functionality without compromising on style or protection. With 38 built-in N52 magnets delivering a whopping 2400 GF of magnetic force, nearly 7 times stronger than standard, it ensures rock-solid attachment to magnetic chargers and key wireless pads, even during movement. The matte TPU and PC translucent shell brings a sleek, frosted look that resists smudges and scratches, all while keeping the Fold 7 logo visible. It doesn't just look good either. This case is tough too. Certified for 14-foot military-grade drop protection, it uses rigid polycarbonate, shock-proof TPU bumpers, and reinforced corner airbags to absorb impact from every angle. Thoughtful design touches like raised camera and screen lips, 2.5mm and 1.5mm respectively, and grippy edges make this case as functional as it is protective. Slim, stylish, and ultra-secure, it's a great pick for Fold 7 users who want magnetic convenience with rugged defense. Screen protectors can be a pain to apply, but the Spigen Glaster Easy Fit makes it practically foolproof. It comes with an auto-alignment installation tray that ensures a perfect fit every time. No bubbles, no guesswork, just a clean and easy setup. Once in place, the tempered glass boasts 9H hardness, offering solid protection against scratches, scuffs, and minor impacts. The oleophobic coating resists fingerprints and smudges, keeping your screen clean and smooth throughout the day. Despite the toughness, it delivers ultra-clear visuals that preserve your Fold 7's original brightness and touch sensitivity. And if you're using a Spigen case, no worries, it's fully compatible. For hassle-free installation and reliable front screen protection, this one's a safe bet. The Spigen ArcStation Pro is a compact but powerful charger, capable of delivering up to 65 W of power, perfect for your Fold 7 and other USB-C devices. Built with GaN tech, it reduces heat and increases charging efficiency, extending the lifespan of your gear. Dual USB-C ports support both power delivery and programmable power supply, allowing simultaneous high-speed charging for 2 devices. And despite the power, it's incredibly compact, 53% smaller than comparable chargers, making it ideal for travel or workspace minimalism. Always on the move? The Anker portable charger ensures your Fold 7 never runs out of juice. This 10,000 mAh power bank offers 30-watt fast charging, giving you nearly 2 full charges for most phones. Whether you're powering your Fold, your Galaxy Buds, or even a tablet, the high-speed output keeps you going. And thanks to bidirectional charging, the power bank itself recharges faster, so you're ready for your next adventure. It's slim, lightweight, and built for users who don't like being tethered to a wall outlet. The Galaxy Buds 3 Pro are the ideal wireless audio companion for your Fold 7. Redesigned for a more comfortable fit, these earbuds are built for all-day use and deliver premium sound quality that adapts to your environment. With Galaxy AI-powered features like adaptive noise cancellation and an adaptive equalizer, your audio stays immersive wherever you are. Need to hear what's going on around you? Transparency mode handles that. Need real-time language help? The interpreter mode is built right in. Top it all off with the sleek design, smart touch controls, and water resistance, and these buds complement your Fold 7 perfectly. To truly complete the Galaxy ecosystem, pair your Fold 7 with the Galaxy Watch 8. Featuring a bold new squircle case design with a round display, it brings modern aesthetics and next-level functionality. From real-time workout feedback to advanced sleep coaching and vascular load monitoring, it gives you deep insights into your wellness. Galaxy AI powers its energy score, which factors in sleep, activity, and heart rate to help guide your daily decisions. Lightweight, sleek, and loaded with helpful features, the Watch 8 keeps you informed and in control, right from your wrist. For those looking to turn their Galaxy Z Fold 7 into a full-on workstation, the SHIEID rotating tablet stand with keyboard set is a powerhouse 4-in-1 combo. It includes a magnetic Bluetooth keyboard that detaches easily from the foldable aluminum stand, letting you type wirelessly and recharge via USB-C when needed. The stand itself is built from sturdy aluminum alloy and features a 360-degree rotating base, allowing you to switch between portrait and landscape modes with ease, perfect for video calls, multitasking, or content viewing. Rubber pads on the stand add stability and protect your device from slips or scratches. Rounding out the package is a wireless ergonomic mouse for comfortable navigation and a capsative touch pen for precise screen input. Whether you're working, studying, or traveling, this all-in-one setup adds serious versatility and desktop-level functionality to your Fold 7. And that wraps up our list of 7 must-have accessories for the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Which accessory are you adding to your setup first? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.